Hey everyone, Shawners here. Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about a really awesome tool that is going to help you to track your visitors better on your landing pages. So as you see, by now we're just running ads and we're sending traffic to our landing pages and everything is going good. But let me tell you something, you always need to keep improving and optimizing your pages. Okay, so that's really important. That's why we have our Facebook pixels on these pages. That's why in the last update I talked about how you can add your Facebook pixel to the direct funnel so you can track everything perfectly, right? And in this video I'm going to talk about another tracking tool that you can add to your landing pages so you track awesome stuff on your landing pages. Okay, so for some reason there's a chance that this might happen to you. For some reason you might not get conversions. Okay, you might get traffic from Facebook, but you might not get people to sign up on your list to watch your video or go to your offer. And usually, most of the times, 99% of times, that is because your landing page is not converting well enough. It's not working. There's something wrong with your landing page. And the best way to actually track that, to make sure to see how people are actually reacting to your landing page, is to see what they see. So okay, so let me show you what I mean by that. So there's a tool called Hotjar.com. It is free. You don't have to pay anything. For the basic use that we're going to use, you're not going to pay anything. This tool is going to allow you to track visitor movements and heat maps on your website. It's just absolutely amazing. Let me show you a good example. Let me log out of this account and log into my other account. Okay, so again, this tool is free. You just have to enter your you enter your email, sign up with it. You can sign up using anything, and it's just easy to use and it's absolutely amazing. So let me show you what this tool exactly does. This tool is going to give you data on your visitors. Okay, so let me show you for example, in this case I installed the software on a landing page. Let me show you the landing page. Okay, so for example, this tool is going to tell me how people are reacting. For example, you see this shows where people are paying attention, and this one, if you change it, it's going to tell you how people are reacting to the page. So if there's a problem with it, I'm going to be able to see it, so this is something probably not dangerous. This part is something people are paying attention a lot, obviously. And next thing, which is the cool part, is you can see recordings. So let me show you this, for example. So you record your visitors, and after you do that, you're going to be able to play and see what they did. Take a look. I'm just seeing what they're seeing. Okay, so and it's going to tell me exactly what's the problem with that page, so I can actually go and optimize. So as this visitor came in, saw the page, and just didn't sign up. So this is what this tool does. It tells you what visitors are doing so you can optimize your pages. So let's log out and let me show you how you can actually install this on your landing page. Let me log back into my other account. The first thing you want to do is you want to add your website. Now if you're using lead pages, you need to add your subdomain and lead pages domain. Okay, so not the whole page, just this part. So it's going to be, for me, topshan.leadpages.co is the domain I want to add. So I copy that part and go here, add new site. Alright, so let's paste the website, and the owner is going to be me, and I check this, and there you go. So that's added. Now next thing you want to do is you want to get the tracking code. Okay, so you click on tracking code and you copy this. You click on this to copy it, and you go to the lead pages and you add this code to your lead page. Let's go and add it. So this is the one, and this is the engagement funnel. So I'm just going to do that. Just wait for it to load, and after that we're going to add this script from here. So I click on this, and on the tracking codes I'm just going to add it to, I believe we need to add it to header. Right? So this is going to be the top one. exactly like Facebook script. So let's paste this here. Done. Save. Same thing for this. Let's go to the script tracking and add this here, and done. Save. There you go. Now we added our code. Okay, next thing you want to do is you want to go back to the Hotjar. Okay, let's close this and let's go back, and you want to go to the heat map. Okay, and you click on create new heat map, and you call this landing page, and you add the address of your landing page. Okay, this part, now you add this, and let's actually add the whole thing with the backslash, and you click on create heat map, and it's going to do that. Now as you get visitors, this thing is going to get more data, and then maybe check it out after a day or two to see how people are reacting to your page. Next thing you want to do is you want to go to recordings, and you just want to click on record visitors and start recording. That's all. You don't have to enter any pages or anything like that. It just does it automatically. Okay, so that we added this landing page. You want to also add the direct golf page, obviously, right? I'm going to add the direct one too, because this is the engagement funnel. So I'm going to make sure I can track the direct one too. So let's copy this again. You're going to click on new heat map. I'm going to call it direct landing page, and paste the page here and create heat map. There you go. So this is how you track your visitors. So after a couple of days, maybe a week, I'm going to come back to this, and I'm going to see this data and see how people are reacting to my landing pages, and I'm going to be able to make changes if I need to. All right, so let me know if you have any questions. Make sure to use this tool, and I'll see you in the next video.